Hello guys, this is the new video, Terraform. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create resources and virtual machine. Terraform is a product developed by Hashi Corporation. Terraform, as the name hints, allows you to create infrastructure in cloud data centers in a declarative way, allowing you to keep track of what was created where to apply changes to the infrastructure from the code perspective. The first thing we need to do is download and install Terraform. Just open this link in a browser and select your platform. In my case, it's Linux 64-bit. Once it's downloaded, unzip and place in some path. In my case, user local bin Terraform. Be careful, as some OS X setups do not include user local bin in the path environment variable, so you might need to do it before being able to execute Terraform from any path. To export the path, run this command. Once it is installed and the path variable includes user local bin as one of the values separated by semicolons, we check whether everything works as expected. It should give you the Terraform version you're using. Note that DevOps tools move very quickly nowadays, as they're required to do more things day by day. By the time you're viewing this course, a newer version might be available. Luckily, Terraform comes with a very powerful documentation embedded in it. Let's look at all the available commands. Just execute this. You'll see some of the common commands in this manner. Now, in order to display the help dialog on any of the commands, we just need to execute the command with the flag -h. For example, let's display the help for apply. It will output the list of all the options available for the command in the prompt. So this was all about installing Terraform to your system. However, we're going to use Azure Cloud Shell to create virtual machine on Azure, as it has Terraform inbuilt. Let's create our first resource in order to help us understand how Terraform works and how powerful it is. Create a directory called Implementing Modern DevOps like this. Let's create a file inside it named resources.tf and add these contents to the file. We'll learn more about this file a bit later. Save it for now. Execute Terraform plan. It'll show you 5 resources to be added. These are Network Interface, Resource Group, Subnet Internal, Virtual Machine, and Virtual Network. Now, going back to the resources file. Here, we first create Resource Group, then Virtual Network named Terraform Network, followed by Subnet, and Network Interface with IP configuration set as dynamic. Lastly, we create the Virtual Machine. We're going to use standard DS1 version 2. Ubuntu Server, and 16.04 LTS version. We also create storage disk and OS profile in case you want to set password authentication or SSH. Let's run Terraform apply. It'll ask for confirmation. Enter yes. As we already have the DevOps resources created, it shows that 4 resources are added. Go to the dashboard now and select Virtual Machines. You'll see our DevOps Terraform VM being assembled with the size standard DS1 version 2. To provide a static IP, change the Terraform script. In this manner, provide your private IP address with the correct value. Save the file. Upon running Terraform apply, it'll be allocated with a static IP. That was all about creating resources and modifying your infrastructure. With this, we've come to the end of the section. In this section, we've looked at Azure CLI 2.0 and Terraform. In the next section, we'll take a look at server provisioning.